'Tis the season for pumpkin spice. I'm going to make one of the easiest, most delicious snack recipes: pumpkin spice, pumpkin seeds, and nuts. It is so full of healthy fats, antioxidants, vitamins and minerals, like you name it. It's a powerhouse nutrition-wise. It's also great for blood sugar balance. It's anti-inflammatory. If you're trying not to have like a crazy blood sugar spike and then crash in the middle of your workday and you'd like to keep focusing and getting stuff done, this is a recipe for you. Let me show you how to make it. 2 cups of walnuts, 1 cup of pecans, 1 cup of pumpkin seeds, a tablespoon of CEYLON cinnamon, and a tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice. And then I've got 2 egg whites here. I'm gonna add my egg whites and my spices. So I'm just gonna mix this together. And cinnamon too has a lot of great health benefits to consider. Full of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, great for blood sugar balance as well. Ooh, it's already smelling so good. Pumpkin seeds, because pumpkin seeds are one of the richest food sources of magnesium you can find. And your body needs magnesium for over 200 chemical reactions. So it's really important that we get that one in with my powerhouse pumpkin seeds. Chock full of healthy fats, like omega-3s and omega-6s. Pecans, full of healthy fats, monounsaturated fats, as well as a ton of other vitamins and minerals. Also, personally my favorite tasting, so that's why they're going in. Walnuts, powerhouse of those polyunsaturated fatty acids, so the omega-3s that we love so much. Zinc, magnesium, you name it. Ton of minerals going in here. And also very yummy. Oh, and it smells so good. I have never tried this myself, but I imagine if you wanted to do a fully plant-based version, instead of the egg whites, you could experiment with using like an aquafaba or an egg white substitute, which I know they make for bacon. Just making sure that everything is like coated so that every bite is delicious and amazing. And that's it. Now, all I've done is I've lined 2 baking sheets with parchment paper here, and I'm just gonna divvy them up. So then you just spread it out so they're kind of even. Our oven is preheated to 225 Fahrenheit. I'm just gonna stick these up in the oven for 60 minutes, and every 20 minutes, I'm gonna go in and like give them a flip and like break them up a little bit, because you'll see they turn into like a giant sheet. So you just kind of have to like go in there and break them up. And then I'll set my phone timer for 20. So that way 3 times throughout, I am coming to check on them. And then when they're done, they look like this. And they smell amazing, and they're toasty. You get that like the roasty, toasty nuttiness to come out of the nuts. You also get all those spices to open up. Your house smells amazing. They're so good when they're warm. Perfect snack for the middle of the day. Crunchy, spicy, no sugar added, nutty. Wrap them up in a cute little glass jar or something. You gotta try this one. And that's all I gotta say.